This week, my kitchen, it's a complete mess. Look at it. And the reason why it looks like this is because I used to have a dishwasher. And in the middle of a cycle, about 4 days ago, the dishwasher completely died. So now my kitchen looks like this. I have a couple of friends who have never owned a dishwasher, and I consider them domestic rock stars. I can't imagine having to wash this many dishes 2 and 3 times a day with the schedule that we have and not have a place to put the dishes to clean them. My brilliant husband is going to install our new dishwasher to replace our old dishwasher, which was about 25 years old. And he's going to install the new one in about 2 hours. And I'm going to be very happy because I'm the kind of gal that likes modern conveniences. I like dishwashers. I like electricity. I like clean hospitals to deliver babies in. And I'm going to very much enjoy having a place to put these dishes in just a few hours. Because even though my kitchen will be clean, the rest of my house probably won't be. Because with 4 kids and a business to run and a new baby on the way, our house is pretty hectic and crazy and doesn't stay very organized all the time. But at least my kitchen will be all clean.